So if you're going to do a live TV broadcast in this festival, then you'll be told what exactly they're going to do to the winning items in this category. So right now, let me welcome Mr. Arthur Gishane, our guru in film, and he's also a guru in this area, to take us through this live TV broadcast.
Now on stage, we have live TV broadcast. Live TV broadcast is a child of Communication Authority. It has to be live.
Good evening, this is Ole Moses Mwirigi, and we bring you the latest update on ongoing Kenya National Drama and Film Festivals at Kangaru School, running from January 22nd to 26th, 2025. Welcome. The event kicked off with a crucial planning meeting held on January 22nd, just a day before the action-packed festival began. The Regional Executive Committee, led by the jovial but firm Mr. Mbada, the Quality Assurance and Standard Officer Council of the region, gathered to address the loopholes that arose during last year's festival. With the lessons learned from the festival's event, this year's planning meeting aimed to ensure a smooth operation from all the workshops and activities that followed. This year's workshop has turned out to be nothing short of a global phenomenon. Teachers from every level of education, from early childhood development education, ECDE, to university lecturers, gathered in huge numbers, filling the Kangaru School hall to the brim. One of the key highlights of this year's workshop is the regional's meticulous approach to ensure proper registration. The chairman of the Regional Executive Committee, Mr. Wahome, worked hand in hand with his team to come up with an immaculate system. The process was designed to ensure that everyone paid and was issued a receipt addressing last year's issues of registration discrepancies. Our reporter, Mr. James Wageda, is on the ground and will give us more details shortly. Mr. Wageda, if you can hear us, Mr. Wageda. There are some technical issues and our people on the ground are working hand in hand to ensure that you get this live broadcast as it happens and as it is. Mr. Wageda?
I would like to take this opportunity to just have one word with our very close friend who tells me that he only knows how to speak in Kiswahili, so that you can first of all tell us how he views and perceives this particular workshop. Karibu sana. Tell us your name and then you tell us what you feel about this particular workshop.
Naitwa Balozi Stefano. Tumefurahi sana, maandalizi yamekuwa ni mazuri ya hii karakana ya mwaka huu wa 2025, na kusema ukweli, kuanzia pale lango kuu foleni ilikuwa ni ndefu, walimu walifurika, waelekezi walifurika hadi kumoni. Tulipoingia hapa, masomo yalikuwa ni mazuri kwa sababu waliofunza waelekezi, wakufunzi watajika kama vile Onyanja, Charity Moragore, Bob Odhiambo, walifanya kazi ya kuuza roho na kujenga usingizi. Walifanya kazi ambayo bila shaka hata Mwenyezi Mungu mwenyewe alifurahi mahali popote alipokuwa.
Asante sana kwa fursa hii. Kwa majina ni Rosemary, na naomba kuripoti kwamba tunaona kongamano hili linaendelea vyema, na kama vile mwenzangu amesema, mimi ni mwanalugha, Kiswahili tunakienzi, na ndio maana katika wale wawasilishi wetu tumemwona Bwana Onyanja akipigia debe mashairi kwa Kiswahili, na tunaomba kwamba hawa watunzi, waelekezi na wote ambao wanawapatia msaada waweze kuzingatia zile sheria.
The organization this year for this little workshop has been good, and I want to thank all those who are involved, the regional committee members, the RD's office, the participants who showed a great degree of maturity. Compared to last year's workshop had a few hitches here and there. There were some loopholes where some of the participants would get into the hall without paying. Others maybe will exchange the receipts and give them to their friends so that they get into the hall. Having noticed these loopholes, the regional committee, in conjunction with the RD's office, met at a meeting and seen all those loopholes.
I must confess that this is one of our most successful workshops compared to last year and the year before. We have achieved a lot of success. In numbers, participants have come very well, very encouraging, because their principals, Kisha, Kepsha, their offices, education offices, both TSC and ministry, they've done such a meticulous job, advertising, creating awareness, and doing everything on the ground to ensure that this one has become a success.
That's what I have for now. Back to studio.
Wageda, before I let you go, how many participants have participated? How many participants do you think we have?
Approximately 500.
500. How much are they paying?
3,000 shillings.
The beauty of this year's workshop was not only seen in the organization, but also in the camaraderie that developed among participants, many of whom reconnected with old colleagues and part-time partners. The workshop is being led by the renowned facilitators, including Peter Onyancha, whose comic presentation style has made him a favorite among the participants. His humor has added an entertaining twist to the serious business of the training drama trainers. Alongside him is Mr. Ndeke, the today's programmer, has also contributed to the light-hearted moment, keeping the atmosphere both lively and educational. This year's workshop is more than just an event. It's part of a larger mission to prepare trainers for the mega festival set to take place in Mwingi, Kitui County between March 3rd and 8th, 2025. The anticipation for this upcoming mega event is already building, and the workshop at Kangaru is shaping up to be an essential step in the journey. That is the end of our news, but stay tuned with us for more updates on the Kenya National Drama and Film Festivals. I have been your news anchor, Ole Moses Mirigi, and may God bless Eastern region, may God bless Kenya.